Welcome back to SUSHI Channel. Last time I was talking about rules for sushi restaurant. Thank you for watching, everyone. My friends who live in New York City sometimes ask me about reservation for sushi places in Japan. They said they want to eat sushi for every meal in Japan. Sushi is loved by people all over the world. Today's topic is how to make a reservation. In Japan, there are so many places where they cannot get seat easily. I still have many places where I want to try to. So I will give you advices how you can make reservations. Ask hotel concierge about reservations. For sushi restaurant, there will be a cancellation fee if you cancel on the day. There are many sushi restaurants that are confused by the cancellation of foreign tourists. So some places, they don't make reservations for foreign tourists. Then let's try to ask hotel concierge or front desk about reservations. If their hotel have sushi place, it would be perfect. Use the website. For foreign tourists, it's a good way to use web system like Pocket Concierge. They have navigation in English. When they make a reservation, we have to pay by credit card. Even if you miss the reservation or cancel it, the cancellation policy doesn't allow refunds. Some restaurants can be reserved through the website. Also, there are some other websites that make a reservation too. Just let you know, some credit card cannot use in Japan. Please check it out. Call the restaurant. At sushi place, their staff sometimes can speak English and also chefs too. Thank you for your understanding. Sushi 1-point manner. You may pick up with chopstick or by hand. When you're eating sushi, in the way you are comfortable and want to eat. However, curry is eaten with chopstick. Lastly, we would like to introduce a sushi service. When foreign people eating sushi, what kind of fish is this? What is this shellfish? We got a lot of questions. Even in Japanese, many children misunderstood fish is like sashimi in the sea. Many people ordered just tuna and salmon because they understand what is it. And they realize what kind of fish. They can have more options from sushi experience. Sushi made index, including many of fish names in English, Chinese, Korean. And also I put how it looks like. Let's use it for good sushi experience. Thank you. Easy access from this QR code. You can easily find out what kind of fish or shellfish is used in sushi. We have completed them into 100 index. So please check it out. Next time, we will introduce hand-rolled sushi in Japan. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!